guys, welcome back to my channel. How have you been? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys everything I crocheted in 2023. First of all, Happy New Year guys, happy 2024. A little FYI at first that I started crocheting in 2022 December. I just wanted a hobby during that December period, and crocheting was getting a little trendy during that time, like starting to get a little trendy on social medias and all. So I thought I will start crocheting and learn crocheting because it's a fun activity in the first place, and also the fact that you can make your own clothes. I love fashion. If you don't know, that means you haven't subscribed to me yet. Go ahead, subscribe and become a part of our family. I learned mostly crocheting from YouTube and partly from my grandma. Also guys, please ignore the background noise. There's some function going on. It's very loud and I don't know what mic I bought. Please give me mic recommendations because this mic is literally like useless. Does not work. Yeah, I'm still making the video. Please ignore the voice quality. I'm so sorry. Okay. So this is the first thing I crocheted. It's like a hand warmer. And you can see like how rough it is. I was so happy and proud when I made this. I only made it for one hand. I did not make the other one. I think I made this in January 2023. I think it took me like 12 days to make. If you guys saw my birthday vlog, you will recognize this because I wore this on my birthday. This is the only sweater I made. Next, I'm gonna start with tops and shrugs that I made. This is the vest. I made this with acrylic yarn and the borders are made with wool. This is like the prettiest top I've made, but I haven't worn this out because it's like not so secure to be worn. I can layer this. I wanna layer it with something. It's so pretty, and I also like the ribbon details and all. I just love it so much. Like so pretty. This is a top that I made like long ago. I did wear it out when I went on a trip. This is a very versatile piece. Next I have this top. I don't know, I randomly crocheted this. Had nothing on my mind when I was crocheting it, and I also did a cutting on this side. I was like really inspired with the Akubi fashion. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but it's a shrug. Actually it was like a full length top, but I randomly decided to cut the bottom of it, and the bottom is now useless. I'll probably do something with it, but I just don't know for now. But I can style the top part easily. I think the most common crochet thing out there, sleeves, but instead of full sleeves I just made it like this. Next I have this. It was just like a sleeve, but I did this crochet thing on this side and added ribbons for a fashion audition. I did this just in our college, like a random one. I just wanted to wear it, so I was like, I'm gonna add something, so I just did this. This is also something I made like in the beginning of 2023. I have worn this a few times and I really like it. This part is just fitting, but this part is baggy, so it looks a little weird, but it's okay. Another thing that I made with acrylic yarn. So this is like, I actually wanted to make like a jacket, kind of like a something that you wear on top of tops, but it did not end up well. Like I ran out of yarn. You can like wear it both sides, so that is a good thing. I had to crochet the end part with some wool yarn, so off-white wool I used because I ran out of the acrylic yarn. The last thing that I crocheted, like the shrug, is this. It's like a tank top that I crocheted with two yarn at the same time. So it's like the pattern, it's like two shades of yellow at the same time. I don't think you can like really see it on the camera. I just saw a reel of someone crocheting with two yarn at the same time, and I just really liked it, so I wanted to make it, so I just made this. Hello guys, this is me editing, and I completely forgot about this top that I had. So this is the top, and I actually took this for my trip. I didn't actually wear it, but I took it. So it was in the luggage and I forgot to take it out. And I also completely forgot to film the bags. I have two bags. I made a matching bag with this. So this is the bag. It's like the cutest bag ever. It's like a mini bag and so cute. It has like a bow in the front, and I made a similar bag for my best friend as well for her birthday gift. And the second bag is this tote bag that I made, just a simple tote bag that I made with the leftover yarn for this top that I showed. So yeah, these are the two bags. Alright, let's continue with the video. Next, we are moving to the bottoms. I do not have much, so whatever I have, I'm gonna show you guys. The first thing is this red skirt. I wore this once out, and it's really nice. It's just like a simple red crochet skirt. You can like style it anyways you want, and it's just really nice. The only problem with this is it's a little longer on the one side, and I used wrong stitch. This is also something I crocheted in the beginning. I used double crochet for this, but to connect it I used triple crochet, which I don't know why I thought it was right. I did style this a lot, but I have never worn this out. So it's this skirt. This is just so pretty, guys. This is so pretty. I cannot wear this just on its own because it's really mini, and also it has holes, so you cannot wear it on its own. You have to layer it. I just love the bow details, the gap, like this uneven pattern. This is one of them, like my favorites. So yeah, another mini skirt. This pattern is similar to that because I got inspired by that as well, because I really liked it. So I actually made this for the Barbie movie, but I actually never ended up wearing it. I have never even styled it. It was like closeted. And yeah, this was it for the bottoms. After that, I only have one dress that I made. This is the dress that I made. Yeah, I love it so much. It's just so feminine. It's just so pretty and nice. I love it a lot. I haven't worn this out, but I did style it, and I also have a full video on making this. Go check it out. It's like simple but not. And I also like the waist detail. It is like has gaps on the waist, so like this part. I'm gonna show you guys a few accessories that I made as well. I made this for the Barbie movie, and I wore them to the Barbie movie. And yeah, it's just a simple hand warmer. I really like it. Another hand warmer, these are black hand warmers. I made them for someone, but they didn't take it, so I just kept it for myself. So yeah. These are another hand warmers. I actually wanted to make leg warmers, but I made them too short, so turned it into hand warmers instead. Yeah, they're just really nice, comfy, and warm. The scarf was like really trendy when I made this, so yeah, that. I like the pattern. Like it's triple crochet, then triple crochet with like different kind of gaps. And lastly, I have this also another hand warmer, and it's a set with a hand warmer and a corset. So I made this like overnight for a fashion show, and this is like the hand warmers with a ribbon, and this is the corset. Oh my god, that is messed up. This is like, it's supposed to go around your neck, and then this is the corset. I attached a jewelry piece, some earrings as well to like style it like this. It's just so pretty. I got so many compliments on this. I just love it. It's the same design for the hand warmers as well. like the same design. It's the same design. So I can just pair it up or not wear it individually. It has too many strings. I do also have a few unfinished projects. I have this muffler scarf kind of thing that I made, which is still not finished. It's not long enough yet. But winter is almost like will be gone in a few days, so I don't really want to make it anyways, and I do already have lots of scarves and I just am lazy to make this at this point. So yeah, probably next year. I wanted to make a bag, but I think I already do have too many bags, so I don't want to make another bag. And I also did sell a few things recently. First of all, I really want to show you guys this bag that I sold yesterday. It's just so pretty. It took me a few days to make it, but it's just so nice and I'm so glad. Like, it was something that I didn't know I could make, like the patterns and all. I also made this crochet octopus and it's just so cute. I posted it and like got orders after I posted it because it looks so cute. I made a crochet rose, which I really liked. I made this sweater in one of my videos and I sold that as well. I do sell my crochet things. I do have a small business. If you don't know, you now know. Follow my small business account on Instagram. Go ahead, and if you want to want to place some orders, go ahead, DM me, or you can comment down as well. I do sell customized products as well, or you can also shop from what is available. Yeah, that was all for everything I crocheted in 2023. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And don't forget to like the video. Okay, bye!